Listen up. McGregor will take second squad down this road and hit the Jerry's right flank. The rest of us will do our part by cutting through the orchard and keeping the Jerry's busy. Let's go!
Troops! Next to that low wall over there! To the north!
Diese flachen Mauern da drüben! Hinter uns!
Next to that wall over there! Open fire!
Ist nicht gerade Zeit für euren Tee?
Hinter them! Germans out in the open! On the left flank!
Dieser flachen Mauer da drüben! Feuer!
Had better take out that machine gun or we're buggered! Machine gun side!
Take out those Jerrys! Mauer da drüben! Geradeaus!
On our left flank! On the other side of the low wall! Take out those Jerrys!
Englische Truppen! In dieser flachen Mauer da drüben! Zu unserer Linken!
Enemy infantry! Over by the lorry! Up front! Leave! Cover! Face it! Enemy down! Die Englischen verhindern! Enemy infantry! In the rubble pile! Northwest of our position! Neben dieser flachen Mauer da drüben! Sie treffen mich von uns! Whichever I get to first! I got one! I got one!
Jerrys! Near those boxes! Open fire!
German troops! Up on the second floor! On the left! Don't shoot! Please! Nicht schießen! We have wounded here!
Hold your fire, lads.
I say we slot the sodding lot of them.
Hold your fire, that's an order!
Whatever you say, sir.
McGregor, get over here. You remember that German lorry we passed over to the east?
We do, sir.
Get it working and bring it here. Sergeant Davis, go with McGregor. We need something to transport all these Yanks.
Will do, sir. Davis, check your gear. There might be more Jerrys out there. War's not over just because we won this little fight. Sergeant Davis! The lorry's over this way! Looks to be in good shape. The Jerrys were even nice enough to leave us a full tank of petrol. Come on, Davis, jump in the back and give us some cover! I've almost got a bugger. There! Hold on, Davis! This might get a little bumpy! Davis, I owe you one. Hell, I owe you two.
All right, chaps, the lorry's here. Let's load him up. Well done, Sergeant. You know, Davis, I almost envy this lot of Yanks. The bloody war's over for these poor bastards.